Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. You're at the right place. I make music videos because they will entertain viewers. I also make videos about nature and animals because they will please the viewers who are animals and nature lovers. I make videos about technology to answer certain questions on how to and what to do for users who use iPhones, iPads, Macs, iMacs, etc. At the root, I am an artist. When I first joined social media in 2013, it was simply to promote and share my music globally, which was a great experience. Then I published my first ebook and a second one. Viewers who visit this channel will watch content that is tailored for them. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and share if you like. Or you can hit the notification bell so as not to miss any updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.